take these little glass bottles that I found at the dollar store. We're going to turn them into little snowman ornaments. So we don't need a whole lot of things, and this is a fun, easy little project with a bit of ribbon, a little bit of felt, some Sharpie or permanent markers to write on the glass, a glue gun here to glue things on. I'm going to use some salt inside for snow, and that's about it. I'm going to open these up, and first thing we need to do, we need to take the caps off, and we're going to paint these black lids, so they'll be our little hats. So I'll just take these all off, and I'm going to spray paint these with a paint that adheres better to, it's an acrylic spray paint, and it will adhere to the metal. Okay, here we go. I've got these little the little tops for the jars painted, and I found some of these little eye hooks that typically they come in little picture framing kits, and I usually have lots of extras of these, so I'm just screwing these in, and they actually just screw in by hand. The tin is very soft, and so you can just sort of puncture it and push it in. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue and glue it onto the inside of the screw ends to keep them from coming off. All right, so I'm going to put some salt. You can use different things for the snow we're going to fill up in here, but I've chosen to go with some salt. That's a little bit more than I was going to put. Okay. And now I'm going to draw on their faces. I'm going to cut the noses out of felt. That's why I have this little piece here. And we're just going to cut a few little noses, carrot noses. So we've got 4 little noses. I'm just going to put a little piece of, or a little bit of glue on the tip of them. There we go. So I think I'm going to make this one our snow woman. Now I have this dollar store mitten. I had this extra pair lying around, and so I'm actually going to use the finger for a hat. So either one of those will work. I think I'm going to try the small one. Fix that. And we just pull it over the top. Very cute. And we're going to put some ribbons around these. I think maybe we could do another girl. Which one? Maybe this one. So I'm going to cut another finger off. And I want to put some ribbons around these. Okay, here we are. So we're just going to tighten the ribbon. I put a little dab of glue on the back to keep it in place. And if we want, we can add a couple buttons down in the front. There we go. There we go. We can add some string to these and they'll be done.